Hi, today in this video you will learn row and column composables in Jetpack Compose. So let's get started. First we create our project. So here I'm creating a new project and selecting empty activity. Click on next, name of your project and click on finish. First of all, we learned what is row and column in Jetpack Compose. So these are layouts to arrange our elements in a linear manner. Linear manner means one element per line, or you can arrange these elements either horizontally or vertically. So row arrange the element horizontally and column arrange the elements vertically. Let's see how this row and columns work. So first we create a composable method and name it row example. And inside this method, we use row composable to arrange the element horizontally. And inside this row composable, we use text composable. And here we select font style italic. Similarly, we use other text composables. So these are three elements in a row composable. Similarly, we create composable method for column. And here we use column composable. And inside this column composable, we use text composables. So these are three elements of column composables. Row arrange the element horizontally and column arrange the element vertically. Now we create a composable method. And this method we use column composable, and inside this column composable we call row example method and column example method. So here we create a column that arrange row and columns vertically. Now call the method here. So here we call layout container and run the project. Here it's showing error. The compile SDK of at least 34. So open total app.label and here we change compile SDK 34 and click on sync now. Now run the project. So here you can see the output. Row arrange the element horizontally and column arrange the elements vertically. As you can see here, we create layout container method. Here we use column composable. So column composable arrange the elements vertically. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.